Hello everyone, welcome back to Shanaya's Henna Art. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. I'm so excited to be here with you. How are you all doing? I hope everything is going well in your world. Before we dive into today's video, I just want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for being here. Today's video is something special. We're going to explore a simple and beautiful Mehendi design. I know many of you love trying out new designs, and I can't wait to share this one with you. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm thrilled to have you here. If you enjoy today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and of course, subscribe to Shanaya's Henna Art for more exciting content. Here's a surprising fact. Did you know that 73% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet? That's a lot of you missing out on our future videos. So if you're part of that 73%, or if you're a returning viewer who hasn't hit that subscribe button, I encourage you to do so now. It's the best way to stay updated on all the amazing content we have in store for you. So whether you're a new viewer or you've been with us since day one, please take a moment to subscribe. It means the world to us, and it helps our community grow. All right, enough talking. Let's dive into the world of Mehndi. But before we do, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your support means everything to us.